Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician Channel. And today we're going to be going into another product from Tekton Tools. If you guys have watched my channel or follow me, I have mentioned quite a bit Tekton Tool brand, and that is because it's a brand that has been really good to me. They provide a good quality tool for a really good price. The one thing I also want to mention is they are very good about listening to their customers. They just don't start producing things all over the place and expect them to do well. They actually listen to their customers, learn what the customers want in a tool, and they try their best to provide that. That's why they're constantly removing older items, re-engineering, redesigning, and re-releasing a better product. And they have brought us quite a few USA made products, and I know a lot of people love that, and they keep them at a good price. So I try and cover any changes that I notice to the Tekton website, or anytime I buy Tekton tools, I try to share them with you because I've had such a good experience with them. They also have the rewards program and one of the best warranties on the market as far as tool brands. So I've covered a lot of the Tekton website, but anytime I see an update, I try to update you guys. So here I have went over the punches and chisels in the past. I actually have this punch set with the walnut block, and then I also have some of their larger alignment punches and their long cold chisel punches. I have a good variety of them. They're USA made, very well priced, and very good punches and chisels. And before, you would have to go through and kind of select which ones you wanted, whatnot. Well, recently, a little while ago, they released the punch and chisel set. It's a 20-piece set, and you get a little bit of a variety of all of them. So $70, and you get 20 punches and chisels and a good variety of each. Here you see the pin punches 16th inch through 3/8, and then solid punches 16th inch through quarter, and then center punches are a quarter and 3/8, and then cold chisels are a quarter inch through 1 inch. And here below, they just kind of go in detail as to what each punch or chisel is designed for to assist you in certain situations. And then cold chisels, I use these things to destroy stuff. That's what I use them for, and they work very well. All of them have held up very well. I haven't had any bad experiences with them. Once again, made in the USA, made from premium high carbon steel, and they do have a rust preventative coating on them, so that is nice. So that is it as far as the 20-piece combination of the punch and chisel set. But listening to their customers, like I stated before, a few customers had messaged them stating that they wish they had an organizer besides the wooden block in order to store their punches and chisels. I have the old Tekton punch and chisel set as well. It came in a roll pouch. I still have it. They're decent. They're not the best punches and chisels. I haven't necessarily destroyed any of them yet, but I can tell they aren't quite the quality of my new Tekton ones. And they do have like this rubberized paint on them, which obviously when you strike the back, it chips away anyways. So they removed those old punches and chisels, and they provided us with USA made ones. Well, they also listened to their customers and provided us with a pouch for this new 20-piece set. Keep in mind, it is out of stock right now. Possibly when you watch the video, it might be back in stock. Usually when Tekton releases a new product, it goes pretty quickly. But they do a good job of trying to get that back in stock and get them out. The thing, I understand it can be kind of aggravating having to wait on a certain product, but it is what it is, especially for the pricing. I usually try and stick around and wait it out and get the product whenever it gets back in stock. But I do like the fact that you don't have to sit here and check in every day or two or every week to see if the product's back in stock. You can simply click the notify me when in stock. You enter your email. Literally, as soon as it's back in stock, emails will be sent out to everybody letting them know that it's back in stock and you can purchase it now. I've had to do it with a couple products in the past, roughly about a year ago, and I got a notification up until the time I purchased it, because when I was first notified, I just wasn't ready to purchase that set. So the next time came around, and I ordered it. So I do like the fact that they do notify you, and I like the fact that they listen to their customers, and now they have provided us with a good quality organizer for the 20-piece punch and chisel set. And here you can kind of see the arrangement. You do have a Velcro strap on it, and it's a nice little case. Just quickly showing some photos here. And then when you go down, it's the same information we saw earlier, but now they've kind of included the information on the included storage pouch and the material it's made out of, the secure strap, and all of that, and then the dimensions of it. And then, just like the punches and chisels, they are made in the USA. The pouch made in the USA with materials from Taiwan, Korea, and China. Tekton doesn't hide anything from anybody. They're very straightforward and provide a lot of information on all of their tools, so I do like that. So it's made here in the USA, but with materials from other countries. No big deal. It's the carrying pouch, and it seems or looks to be good quality, and I'd be perfectly happy with an organizer like that protecting my punches and chisels. So that's really it as far as this real quick update. It's just something that I noticed, something that I'm happy to announce to you guys, just because I love the fact that they actually listen to us when we tell them something. If they hear it more than once, they start considering it and really take the time and effort to provide us with whatever we need in that tool. So I will have more videos like this coming. Some of them are minor, like this little pouch, and then some of them are pretty dang exciting releases. So stay tuned for those, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have purchased any of the punches and chisels, let me know your guys' thoughts or experiences with them down in the comments. I personally have had no bad experiences with them and really enjoy the new Tekton punches and chisels. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.